Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here is a functional equation of f of x plus 3 equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. We know the whole of f of x plus 3 gives this, but the question says find f of x. That is, we want to know the equivalence value of f of x. That's going to give us another output like f of x plus 3 did. Now, to do that, we consider method 1 because we have two methods of solving this. The first one is called form manipulation. And to do that, we consider from the left hand side, which says x to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 2. What we want to do here is that we want to make sure that x squared plus 3x plus 2, just as the right hand side, has the same input as what we have in the function. And to do that, we know it is a quadratic expression and we are going to factorize it. So when we factorize it, we have this, this is the sum and here is the product of this. So we can have this as x squared plus, so we have this as x plus 2x plus 2 because x plus 2x is 3x and x is having coefficient of 1, then 1 times 2 it gives 2. Therefore we can combine this together. So by combining this, we have x squared plus x in bracket plus open bracket 2x plus 2. Here is what we have for this. Then what is common here is x. By factoring it out, we have open bracket x plus 1, and while for this as well, we take out 2 and here remains x plus 1. So we have the same factor here in the parentheses. Then we take 1 and combine their coefficient as well. So where we have x plus 1 in bracket open bracket x plus 2, and we know that the whole of this is equivalent to this, and where the whole of x squared plus 3x plus 2 is given as f of x plus 3. Therefore at this place we just try to write it as f of x plus 3 is what we have here. So on having this, we know we still don't get x plus 3. What we have here is x plus 1, x plus 2. So how can we do that? So it's very simple. So just try to manipulate this as, x plus 3. We can also have this as x plus 3. I mean, for the first parenthesis, which is x plus 1, by changing it to x plus 3, what this is missing is minus 2. Okay, so which is still the same thing as x plus 1. So similarly for the second one, so if you have this as x, so what we have here is plus 2, and we still need what? X plus 3 as what we have in this function. So what this one is also missing is minus 1, and it also gives us x plus 2. So therefore everything is equivalent to x plus 3. Now, the question now is we need f of x and we have this as x plus 3. So, which this function is now what we need. Therefore, we are trying to replace, when we replace x plus 3 with x. Therefore, f of x equals, instead of x plus 3, we're going to have it as x minus 2, open bracket, this is also x minus 1. So by expanding this one, we have x times x, which is x squared, x times minus 1, we have it as minus x, minus 2 times x is also minus 2x, and minus 2 times minus 1, we have it as plus 2. Okay, so we have this equals x squared minus x minus 2x, that gives minus 3x, and here is plus 2. So here is our f of x, as the first one is f of x plus 3. So the only difference here is the first one takes plus and the second one takes minus for f of x. So f of x plus 3 takes plus 3x, and f of x takes minus 3x, and here is the result. Again, we have what we call method 2 of solving this. So the method is substitution method, that is from f of x plus 3, which equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. So from here, which is x plus 3, we are going to replace this x plus 3 with another letter, and let's say the letter is y equals x plus 3. So by making x the subject of the formula, we have x equals y minus 3. So anywhere we see x plus 3, we replace it with y. Anywhere we see x, we replace it with y minus 3. But according to this, we need x squared. That is, our x squared for this is given as, we take the square of this. And by taking the square of this, we are going to have it as y squared minus 6y plus 9. That's what we are going to have for that one, because we already have our x, which is y minus 3. So let's try to substitute. So the first one, which is f of, instead of x plus 3, we change it to y equals, so x squared is given as y squared minus 6y plus 9, and also plus 3 open bracket. So x is given as y minus 3, then we have plus 2. So if this equals y squared minus 6y plus 9, by expanding this, we have plus 3y minus 9 plus 2. So this equals y squared, so minus 6y plus 3y, that gives us minus 3y, and 9 minus 9 cancels, and we are left with plus 2, which everything is equivalent to f of y. Again, what we need is x, but here x and y, they are a member of real number. So we can just try to switch x in place of y, or let's say y in place of what? X. And we get the result as f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 2 as it requires. We call this method substitution method, and the first method is known as form manipulation method. So from these two methods, which one would you think is easy to handle or is very easy approach? So let's hear the comment in the comment section, and thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.